Hi, my name is Thomas. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video today. I'm just out here on the web and I wanted to just give you a few free tips on how to improve the amount of calls coming into your website by improving its rankings by making improvements. Basically, you have a fairly decent site, you go over what you do, very basic, and you do obviously do great work. I love the pictures, quite nice, and they're basically well put together, so good job on that. First thing I wanted to talk what we could probably use to improve your site is to add more content. Google loves good, authoritative content. That increases your rankings as far as on the web, and it also gets more eyeballs, and that's more business for you. So, basically, for especially the homepage, you want to get more basically content for each of these pages. The other thing that needs to be improved on is your site's not mobile friendly. As you're probably already aware, people are getting away from desktops and their laptops and going for their smartphones and their tablets. Basically, you want to be able to make sure this is usable on a smartphone and tablet, and that's really going to hurt your business because most people seeing this as unusable, they just move on to competitors. So, basically, something you want to get fixed right away. Any questions or concerns, I'll leave my contact information in the email. I would love to help you get the site rebuilt and basically build your site that's mobile friendly, content rich, and that will help you improve your rankings, which gives you more business. Thank you. My name is Thomas, and you have a great day.